Welcome friends. This is very important video of Bitcoin altcoin, and in this video I'm going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin and many other altcoins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. The links of these channels are in my video's description, so please join these channels. Here you can see this is the Bitcoin USDT 1 hour chart and this is Binance chart. Here you can see currently Bitcoin is in this descending channel, and Bitcoin price is falling continuously, and here you can see currently Bitcoin is at $34,950 level. Now main question is that what will be the next move for the Bitcoin, and what will be the next targets regarding of my Bitcoin and different cryptocurrencies. Let me please show you. Here you can see Bitcoin is currently in these two patterns. First of all, it is a descending channel or falling channel. If Bitcoin break this descending or falling channel towards downside, let me please remove this support zone, and here you can see if I calculate the height of this, and after that I pull it at the bottom where this breakdown or break out happens, then 29,930. If it break towards downside, in other case, let me please show you. In other case, maybe Bitcoin break this falling channel towards upside, and then our target will be at 39,270. These are two targets, and let me please remove some drawings, and after that I will tell you what I am expecting, and what will be the exact move I think Bitcoin is going to take. Let me please remove some drawings, and after that let me please remove some resistance zone. If I draw this will be a symmetrical triangle, and if I cover like this, and if I move towards this, and let me please arrange this chart. So please thumbs up the like button, and I will give you more informative content in my coming videos, so please show me your support. Here you can see this is a big symmetrical triangle, and if this symmetrical triangles break towards downside, then what will be our target? Here you can see Bitcoin is very near, very near to break this downtrend line. If this happens, then definitely, let me please show you, then definitely Bitcoin is going to hit my first target, which is at 31,000. Before it, let me please arrange the chart, and let me please show you my first support zone, which is at $32,400 level, and let me please remove this. If Bitcoin break this downtrend line, which is at 34,000 and approximately 300 to 34,200, then definitely Bitcoin is going to hit the first support zone, which is at $32,500 level. This is very important level. If Bitcoin break this level, then Bitcoin definitely is going to hit this level, which is at 31,300. And if unfortunately Bitcoin break this too, then Bitcoin is going to hit 30,000. These are my three bearish target for the Bitcoin right now. And let me please show you the other scenario. And if Bitcoin let me please remove this, and let me please show you. Please stay in the video because this is very important video. I am going to tell very useful information. And if Bitcoin move towards upside and reject from that that downtrend lines and pull back, maybe Bitcoin is moving like this, and within this symmetrical triangle, I think the breakout of this symmetrical triangle will be, I think, 21 of January, and after that we may see a big move in Bitcoin. If this happens, then let me show you the next targets of my Bitcoin. If this happen, unfortunately, first of all, let me calculate the downside target. If this happens, then Bitcoin definitely is going to hit $20,000 level. Very a disaster for the Bitcoin. If this happens, then in that case, if this happens and Bitcoin break this towards upside, then let me please show you my target. $51,000 is my next target for the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin break this big symmetrical triangles towards upside. Currently, I am not very bullish in Bitcoin because of this. Let me please show you. Bitcoin is creating lower lows. Here you can see. That is why I was told you in my previous videos that I think blow of the top is happen and no Bitcoin will go down. And after that you say you see that Bitcoin goes to $40,000 but not break all-time high, and then Bitcoin came down to $38,000. After that Bitcoin break down, and after that Bitcoin goes down to $36,000 level, and now so on. Bitcoin is very down, and now Bitcoin is currently trading at $34,820 level. This is the, I think, very unfortunate, but anything can happen in Bitcoin and in Bitcoin trading and cryptocurrency trading. So be careful and always do not use any long high leverage in your trades. Let me please show you my next chart, because this is very important video. The next chart is my Ripple. Here you can see. Let me please arrange this chart, please. Oh, no. Ripple is currently in this parent type pattern, and here you can see if this happens and Ripple break this towards downside, then definitely Ripple is going to hit, I think, 0.24. This is the level, 0.245, and if Ripple break towards upside, then definitely Ripple is going to hit, I think so. Here you can see. Then definitely Ripple is going to hit this target of 0.29500, 0.295. These are two levels currently I am waiting for, and if Ripple break this downtrend line and support zone, then definitely Ripple is going to hit 0.24 very soon. Let me please show you the next chart, which is very important chart, Ethereum. Ethereum is currently creating a ascending triangle, but I think breakdown is coming, and here you can see. If I zoom this, then you can see Ethereum is currently breaking this down trend line. This is not good sign for Ethereum. If this happens, then let me please calculate the target. Then this is the disaster. Definitely then Ethereum is going to hit $1,050 level, and if this not happen, and if Ethereum move towards upside and break upper trend line and break this symmetrical triangle, ascending triangle towards upside, then definitely Ethereum is going to hit $1,384 level. This support zone is very important. This downtrend line is very important, which is at currently $1,180 level, $1,190 to $80 level. If in any case Ethereum lose this grip, lose this support, break this support, then definitely it is going to hit this level very soon. And after that maybe we see some this area which is at 975. Currently, let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA candles are below the EMA ribbon, which is the indication that a price will go down in immediate short term. Let me please show you my other chart, which is EOS. Here you can see EOS is in this big I think symmetrical triangle, and this breakout will happen within 3 days, and maybe today or within some hours too, because the candles are touching this downtrend line. And if candles broke this downtrend line, then let me please calculate the target. Then definitely it is going to hit 2.46. Let me please show you. If this happens, then it is going to hit $2.45 very soon. And if EOS hold this support and move towards upside and break towards upside, then definitely it will let me please show you. Let me make a clone of this. Then definitely it is going to hit $2.9 level very soon. But in this current market situation, I think it will go down. This is my prediction. I think so. It is going to happen because here you can see lower lows. Let me please show you the next chart, which is LTC Litecoin. Here you can see Litecoin is in this big symmetrical triangle, and the breakout will be come in I think within 2 or 3 days. And after this breakout, we may expect a big move in Litecoin's price. And here you can see if break towards the downside, then definitely it is going to hit $113 level. If break towards upside, which is I think not possible in that kind of situation, then 165. I think Litecoin will go down, and please wait for this breakout or breakdown. You can open breakout or breakdown trade once it happens. Let me please show you the next chart, which is Wi-Fi USDT. Here you can see Wi-Fi is currently creating a bull flag, and the target for this bull flag is 42,155. But I think it is going down, and here you can see candles are big red, and maybe after that we may see this kind of move. First support zone is at $35,000 level. Second support zone is at $34,400 level. You have to remember these levels, $35,400 level and $34,400 level. These are two levels you have to remember, and maybe Litecoin is going to hit these levels very soon, because there is no indication that Litecoin will hit this bull flag. I think this bull flag is dead now. Wi-Fi, sorry, it is not Litecoin. Let me please show you the next chart, which is the Link chart. Here you can see Link is in this rising channel and moving like this. Here you can see a first top. Here you can see second top. After that, I am expecting that maybe we see this, and Link is going to hit to $20.5 level very soon. And maybe if Link break this channel towards the downside, then my target will be $17. You have to remember these two levels. I think which is at 17.5 and 16.8, the 88. These are two levels you have to remember. And if Linkcoin hold this support, which is at $20.6 and pull back from here, this is 20.6, and if Linkcoin pull back, then definitely Linkcoin will move like this and will hit 24.6 very soon. Maybe after that it will move towards the upside, but currently I am not bullish in Litecoin. Linkcoin. I am very much bearish in Linkcoin. Let me please show you the next chart. This is the TRB chart. Here you can see TRB is creating a bull flag, a perfect bull flag. If this happens, then definitely TRB is going to hit $40 level very soon. And if in other case, let me please show you the target. If TRB break towards the downside, then definitely TRB is going to hit first target is at here you can see $30, and second target is at 25. Let me please draw this. Let me please do this. Sorry for the background noise. Here is some construction work is happening, and $30 level, and maybe after that $24 level, 24.7. We have to wait for these two levels, 30 and 24. If TRB moves towards upside and break this upper trend line, which is at 34.70, then TRB will hit $40 level very soon. Let me please show you the next chart, which is XLM USD. Here you can see it is Steeler chart. My new video of Steeler is available in this channel. You must have to watch this video because of long-term targets I have shown in this video. And let me please, if this happen, then Steeler will hit 0.258, and if to move towards upside and break towards upside, then Steeler will hit, I think so, 0.33. Here you can see. Okay. Next coin is Zaleka. Zaleka is also in this symmetrical triangle. If breakout towards downside, which is more likely in that kind of situation, then definitely Zaleka is going to hit, I think so, 0.06. If Zaleka move towards the upside and break this upper trend line, then definitely it is going to hit 0.0839. Next coin is VChain. Here you can see VChain is in this ascending channel or symmetrical triangle, you can say. It is like ascending triangle. Let me please. If this happen, then definitely VChain is going to hit 0.020, and if move towards the upside and break this upper trend line, then definitely it is going to hit. Let me please show you my target, 0.033. These are two targets for VChain right now. And let me please show you next chart. I think this is the last chart, and it is BNB. Unfortunately, BNB hit my first target, but unfortunately BNB pulled back from half of the way, and after that it pushed back and hit towards the upside. But now we have to remove these drawings, and let me please show you what is next in BNB coin, Binance coin. And first of all, we have sorry friends, First of all, we have to draw a downtrend line, and let me please show you. It is creating a double top, I think, and definitely it will go down. Definitely, here you can see, and if this happens, then I think it is going to hit this level very soon, which is at 42.8. and let me please remove this, and currently no pattern is in this chart. We have to wait. I think it will go down. If this break upper trend line 47.50, then it will go high. Otherwise, I think it will go down to 42.7 very soon, and after that maybe it is going to hit $38 level very soon. These are my two targets for the BNB coin right now. This is the video, friend. Please let me show your support, and please show your support, and please like my channel, subscribe my channel and like this video, and please join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. And if you are willing to get $600 bonus, then you can open a Bybit account with my affiliate link. Links are in this video description. You can open a Bybit account, or you can open a Binance account. Both links are in my video's description. If you want to trade leverage trading, if you want to join leverage trading, then you must have to these two accounts. Then please show me your support and make your accounts with my affiliate link. Thanks for the watching. Take care.